Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to take a 5-minute trade with our candlestick analysis strategy. I'm going to explain you in detail about the setup. So let's get started. We are going to use Euro US dollar chart and I'm going to analyze 1-minute candlestick time frame. So first of all, let's analyze the trend, and it's clearly showing that on a minor scale the trend is uptrend. And if we go by overall trend, and so you don't have to worry about the overall trend, but if you want to see the overall trend, you can switch the chart to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and you can see that the overall trend is, the major trend is downtrend, but as we are trading over smaller time frame, the minor trend is important, and in this case it's an uptrend. So the trend is uptrend, but as I can see here that a retracement is missing if we look carefully here. So I guess market can give us some retracement in the future. So with that thing in mind, I'm going to draw key important levels that we are going to use in this video. So first let's start with the horizontal support or the resistance level. So for me, this looks like a good strong support level, and if you want to include that, you can also include this one. So you can switch back here and you can say that this is a strong support level for the upcoming market. As I wanted to place my trade in the downward direction rather than going with the trend, because a retracement is necessary in this case, so I'm more in the favor of market going in the downward direction. So we are going to analyze the chart according to that situation. And if we go price by price action, you can say that market price action on a smaller scale, you can see here it shows that market wants to go down. This trend line shows that market should be going down. So we are going to use that same, and this is a support level. Once this support level is broken, that major support level, the chances are really high that market will shoot in the downward direction very fast. So we are going to capture that moment in this trade. Right now market is above the support level, so placing a trade for a lower option in such situation will be riskier because market can reverse from this situation, from that support level. So in order to place a profitable trade, you have to wait for a breakout. Clear breakout is required here. Otherwise I will not going to place any trade. So it is going to take at least like 3 to 4 minutes next. So I guess we have to fast forward this video. The chart analysis is simple. For me, according to the market situation, retracement is required, and that's why I draw this support level, because once there is a breakout from this support level, the chances are really high that market will shoot in the downward direction, and we are going to capture that move. So let's wait. It is going to take some time. Once I take the trade, I will start explaining you about the trade as well. So let's wait. So as you can see, market clearly broke the support level, and that's why I placed the trade. Now let me explain you why I took this trade in a brief way. So if we go by price action, previously market was moving in the upward direction. For me, some retracement is required, and that's why I was in favor of placing a trade in the lower direction. I draw this support level because this is the key important level, and if you go by chart pattern, you can say that market formed a price action suggesting that yes, you can see here that market was forming higher highs here, and once the market reached here, you can see it was not able to form a higher high, but instead it started forming lower lows, and which shows that market should be going down. A retracement is required, and that's why I was in that favor. We got a clear breakout. Previous candlestick shows strength of the sellers, and this was also a strong candle, and that's why I placed a trade. Now let's wait for the result. Some of you can do one thing also. You can wait for the market to retrace back, and once the retracement is over, you can place your trade with the confirmation. But for me, I don't want to miss that opportunity, and that's why I placed the trade, because the confirmation was very strong. So this is about the trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I am going to explain you one more time about this trading setup. So let's wait. And the result is break even. Although the analysis was in our favor, but still we didn't got the trading in our favor, but no worries. We are going to place one more trade with the same setup because the story is still intact. So this is working as a good support level, as you can see. So we are going to wait for a breakout from this level, and once there is a breakout we are going to place a trade because the story is still intact and I trade over the story. I'm totally in the favor of market going in the downward direction, so let's wait. If this candle break this support level, the chances are really high that market will continue its downward movement, but we have to wait. So let's see, and I think it is going to take some time, so let's wait and wait for some time. So we have placed our trade again, we got a breakout. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you why I took this trade. So let's wait. So we have closed our trade in profit, and as you can see we were expecting the same thing and it did happen. Market retraces back very quickly as it was very needed in the market at that time. So let me explain you why I took this trade. So the story is same as about the previous trade. I took that trade here because I was very sure that market will retrace back because it was required in the market, and the price action also suggests that market should be going down. The support level was broken and that's why I placed my trade here, but unfortunately market doesn't show the volume and we closed the trade on break-even point. But the second time the market broke the level of support here, the story was still the same because market needs to go down, and that's why I placed my trade here. And right now as you can see market shows volume and we won the trade by the same analysis, same story. So that is it about it, and if you like this video make sure you hit the like button, and I hope that you have learned something out of this video. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.